Hi, thank you so much for joining our call for today. I hope madami kayong natutunan dun sa previous calls natin. Number one is yung magic number nyo. And of course, yung pangalawa is about hydration. Today, I'm going to share with you another secret, how to help you lose weight for the next 21 days. Let me share my screen. The question is why the program works. Bakit nga ba nag-work yung program natin? Do you know what is the biggest advantage that we have in our programs? Alam niyo ba kung ano yun? I-share ko sa inyo today. 90% of nutrient absorption happens in the small intestine. This has villi. When you eat, food gets broken down and absorbed through the villi. Kaya lang, dahil sa mga kinakain natin, doon sa mga food choices natin, nagkakaroon tayo lagi ng challenges kung paano natin i-absorb yung mga pagkain na kinakain natin kahit na nutritious yung foods na kinakain natin. Our programs can give you exactly what you need. This is our third secret to help you lose weight: cellular nutrition. Nutrition that reaches the cells. Our program on good nutrition can give you support on cleansing, enhance absorption, improve capacity to regenerate healthy cells. In doing so, proper nutrition always or allows your body to achieve balance and do optimal functions such that self-healing, self-correcting may take place. This is a picture, an illustration ng ating small intestine. Ito yung small intestine natin. Sa loob, makikita mo yung parang sponge. Ang tawag dyan ay villi. Yung villi ay nasa loob ng ating intestine. Dito nangyayari yung absorption ng nutrition. Ito rin yung guard against the absorption of harmful toxins and substances. Minsan sa kinakain natin, yung villi natin ay nababarahan or nasisira due to the following: unhealthy food, stress, pollution, smoking, alcohol, medication, pesticides, and airborne toxins. Doon sa program natin, good nutrition will promote cleansing and repair of the villi, proper absorption of good nutrients and guarding against harmful toxins and substances, and of course, yung regeneration of strong and healthy cells, providing nourishment to the cellular level. So that's the best part ng ating program. You get to clean yung villi nyo, may cleansing yung villi. Kapag malinis na yung villi, andyan na yung proper absorption. Kapag merong proper absorption ng good nutrients, ang mangyayari, makakapag-regenerate yung katawan natin ng stronger and healthier cells. Alam nyo ba guys, ladies and gentlemen, you aren't actually fat, sabi nga. Your gut is just bloated and filled with waste and toxins. Yan, minsan, kala natin mataba lang, pero in reality, bloated lang or madumi lang yung ating intestine. So what is the solution? Our solution is actually in your meal plan. If you notice do sa meal guide na binigay ko sa inyo, merong gulay, unlimited gulay. So ano ba ang purpose ng gulay? Bukod sa, it's an alternative sa inyong carbohydrates, meron din itong fiber. High in fiber po ang gulay. Kaya lang, minsan, hindi naman lagi tayong nakakabili ng gulay. Hindi naman lagi readily available ang gulay, especially kapag mga busy moms, busy dads, hindi agad nakakapamalengke ng gulay. Or, worst case is, mahal ang gulay. So, wag na lang maggulay tayo, di ba? Kaya lang, because of that, nagiging hindi na balanse yung ating nutrition, yung kinakain natin. So, that's the problem. So, here is our solution for you. our products are available. Ito, lahat ito ay fiber. What you can see here is aloe, yung na-mention ko na sa other video, meron tayong aloe. It helps with your hydration and digestion. Meron din tayong fiber bond. Meron tayong fiber and herb, simply probiotic, and active fiber. You can try at least one para makita nyo yung benefit because fiber is healthy for our digestive system. An adequate fiber intake promotes regularity and is an essential part of taking care of our digestive system. You can just try one. Let's say yung fiber and herb lang muna. Or kung not yet kaya ng fund or ng budget, you can go to your gulay. Yan, unlimited gulay naman yung nakalagay sa meal plan natin. But then again, itong options lang naman na binigay ko sa inyo is para readily available siya. Ayan, ito yung ating 3-step. Kaya dun sa 3-step healthy meal replacement natin, andyan lagi si aloe concentrate as the step 1. Bakit? Kasi bukod sa hydration, it supports digestive health, nutrient absorption, and intestinal health. So, nandun sa intestinal health, nandyan yung health din ng ating villi. Step 2, of course, is our tea to energize. Meron yung antioxidants, energy boost, and for your mental alertness. And of course, step number 3 is our shake to nourish your body. Again, it has 9 grams of protein already. Low GI lang, low calorie, and it consists of vitamins and minerals that your body needs. Once again, my name is Coach Aya. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. Lagi niyong tatandaan yan. And of course, you're always one decision away from a totally different life. You always have to ask yourself if yung kakainin mo for today will benefit you to live your best life. Thank you!